Be it economy or infrastructure, the government aims to make the country and its citizens independent and self-reliant in all senses. As a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebrations, the government has converged two schemes: Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana National Urban Livelihoods Mission and PM Formalization of Micro Food Processing Enterprises. The move is aimed at grooming self-help group members who are involved in micro-entrepreneurship activities that will make them financially empowered and help the families of self-help groups to live a dignified life. The Ministry of Food Processing Industry started the PM Formalization of Micro Food Processing Enterprises scheme to enhance the competitiveness of individual micro enterprises in the unorganized segment and to promote formalization of this segment. Under the scheme, people are widely benefited as financial assistance in the form of seed capital, credit-linked subsidy for capital investment, and creation of common infrastructure are being made available to the micro food processing industries, including those run by self-help groups. Under the capacity building component of the scheme, the National Institute of Food Technology Entrepreneurship and Management and the Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology have been performing a key role in providing training and research support to selected enterprises, groups, or clusters in partnership with the state-level technical institutions. The training of 371 master trainers has been conducted under the Entrepreneurship Development Program. Moreover, training modules have been developed on 137 One District One products, which include 175 presentations, 157 videos, 166 DPRs and 177 course content or handbooks. Training of 469 district level trainers has been conducted in 18 states and union territories and in progress in other states. 491 district resource persons have been appointed across 302 districts. Also, 54 common incubation centers have been approved in the 17 states and union territories. The scheme worked towards alleviating urban poverty through strong community institutions, skill training, access to affordable credit for self-employment, support for street vendors, and provision of permanent shelters for the urban homeless. It has worked in a big way to reduce poverty and vulnerability of the urban poor households by enabling them to access gainful self-employment and skilled wage employment opportunities. This has resulted in an appreciable improvement in the livelihoods on a sustainable basis through building strong grassroots level institutions for the poor. The mission also aims at providing shelters equipped with essential services to the urban homeless in a phased manner. In addition, the mission would also address the livelihood concerns of urban street vendors by facilitating access to suitable spaces, institutional credit, social security, and skills to the urban street vendors for accessing emerging market opportunities. Both the schemes have been converged to benefit members from self-help groups. Guidelines have also been issued by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs to states and union territories. The government has led many initiatives that have empowered the people for the new India of their dreams. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.